はいどうもこんにちは、こんばんは、爆走ナインです。今回ね、前回の続きでそのまま、やっております。まあね、動画も多分撮れてると思って今もう連続で撮っております。なのでストーリー再開してみます。じゃあ行きましょう。ブラッド、軽妙アレックスの弟ムク。意欲的アレックス、ブラッドの兄ジュリアのボーイフレンド。
Think we got enough?
If we run out, we can always call for backup.
So, look. I've never been down there before.
Down?
The water, diving. Or maybe you could show me how the pros do it.
Are you serious?
Yeah?
I mean, are you serious you came out here without taking any lessons?
Kind of, yeah. It's
what?
It's embarrassing taking them by yourself.
It's embarrassing you came all the way out here expecting me to hold your hand.
Whoa, careful. That dive cam is like super expensive.
Little bro, be cool.
What?
Julia and Conrad are, how do I say it? Super fucking loaded.
So?
So don't sweat the little stuff, man. It's not cool. Don't make me regret letting you tag along.
Dude, you know I'm not like the best around new people. Whatever. Just shut up.
You gotta loosen up.
Oh, come on.
Just say yeah to everything on this trip.
Wait.
Trust me. I want you to have a good time.
Okay, well, what if somebody asked me to do something stupid like run around naked or something?
Metaphorically. Just go with it. All right, amigo. Calvary's almost here.
Cool.
Sorry I'm a little snappy. Who knew medical school would be stressful, you know?
Total shocker.
And man, the long distance thing with Julia, it's been rough.
これかな。
Yeah, I gotcha. It must be tough. No worries, man.
Huh? Yep. Right on cue.
What?
Conrad doesn't think we have enough beer.
Ah, I guess I keep these in an undisclosed location.
Yeah. Hey! So, can I get your input on something?
Yeah, what?
Just, kind of a big thing I'm trying to make a decision about.
About finishing med school?
No, but it's just kind of a big life choice, you know? I don't know what's the right thing to do.
感傷的に慎重にかな。
You sure you're ready? Give it some thought. Consider all the
フォームが
permutations.
更新された。ほう。ブラッドはアレックスによく考えるべきだとアドバイスした。プロポーズ。
Hey!
ジュリア。興奮、コンラッド、アレックスのガールフレンド。コンラッド、ジュリアなりにリラックス向こうを見せ。
Oh, sorry. Connie, this is Alex.
Hey.
What's up, man? Conrad. Watch it, sis. Lady killer, right here.
Good to finally meet you, Conrad. This is Brad, by the way, my little bro.
Hey.
Bradley! Feel like I already know you. I've heard so much about you.
Yeah, likewise.
Miss me?
Hey, man. Want to crack a cold one with me?
Every second.
That's a lot of seconds, cowboy. I mean, I would have gone with minutes.
うーん
Yeah, cool. Tight. I love beer.
Sorry, bud.
関係性はあはあはあちょっとだけ上がったんだよなコロナと
Please do not hold water.
Right on, Bradical. I like the cut of your ship.
It's jib.
Don't ruin it. You ever do any diving before?
ダイビングの経験は、一回もないと
No, actually. Never done it before.
Water virgin. Nice. Hey, we're gonna pop your cherry together. Gonna be gentle.
童貞を捨てる言うていいけど
Where's the old crust bucket skipper anyhow?
フリス、せっかち、デューク、オーブン、ミランの船長、勇敢
I'd invite you to make yourselves at home, but, So is everybody on board and ready to go?
You're selling, I'm buying.
いやいやいや割れたらどうすんだよああ綺麗やね吐いてる
That's it, get it all out.
Yeah.
You, wanna go lie down?
Yeah. You know, maybe I should. Yeah.
Oh boy.
See those hot dogs. What about over here?
That's pretty far out of the way.
I'm just thinking about backup targets in case we don't find anything on the dive cam.
Listen, to be honest, I've never heard of this wreck you're looking for. Usually these things are crawling with divers.
Yeah. This one's different.
I'm just saying, if it gets too late, I know some nice places where you can just take, you know, a nice dive.
前向きいやーこっちかな
Brad did his homework. If he says the wreck's here, it's here.
Okay, look, you're the client. I'm just saying we don't have unlimited daylight.
I'm gonna go help Conrad and Julia with the camera. What you got?
Feast your eyes on this.
Brad's calculations were right on the money.
Always bet on Brad.
Yeah, kid's a whiz. We should thank him. Bliss, we found a plane.
Yeah?
Yeah, looks like World War II. We are ready to dive.
Technically, we should call this in to port authorities as an unreported wreck.
Well, technically.
Are you sure you don't want to do this the right way?
こっちで行こ
Wait, are you saying we shouldn't dive?
The right way. Come on, what is this, kindergarten?
I had to bring it up.
If we just go down and take a look, who's gonna know?
Fine. As long as you're quick. And don't touch anything.
Ah, I just can't wait to be the first one down there. Can you imagine? Untouched?
We should be ready to get you guys in the water in a few.
I'll set up the tanks. The boys will do the final checks. Take a look at the camera, see if you can find anything useful.
Righto.
Hey, maybe you should check on your bro? Almost got the gear good to go.
こっちか
Need an extra hand? Never used a rebreather before.
I think we're in good shape. It's probably not a bad idea for you to have a clue how these things work. Gotta say, not too happy with our captain at the moment.
聞こえてるがな まあこれかな。
Yeah, I know. Let's just play cool for now.
Cool? Why?
There's no point in antagonizing her.
If she tries to keep me from doing this dive one more time, that's it. Gloves off.
That's fair. Just don't force her hand.
All right, I'm gonna get these rebreathers set up, and then we'll go through the final steps together.
Cool. Just holler at us when you're ready. Hey, hey.
Hey, sweetie.
うん。
This doesn't look kosher.
偽物ってこと？偽ってんのか？
What's up? How you doing?
Sorry, that brewski got the better of me.
Jeez, man. You should know how to handle your liquor.
Lay off. I was just trying to bond with Conrad, like you said.
Like guzzling brews? Come on.
Okay, okay. You go hit the high seas. I'll be up when I'm good.
I'm not sure Julia left anything on the mainland. This only smelled as good as it cost. At least it made her happy.
Mo nai ne. あ、貝が。
What am I looking at here?
予感がアンロックされました。どうなんだあいつ。一人取り残されてるけど。いやこういうのアンティルドンと一緒やからいいね。トーテムみたいな感じでね。こいつに聞いとくか。話せられるな。
Hi.
You know, we have rules out here for a reason. You guys gotta respect that.
Yeah, sorry about before. Everybody's just a little... We've been planning this whole thing for a while now.
I get it. But there are rules, and laws, and customs. These rules are all pretty basic stuff. How much experience do you have with these kind of dives?
Dived a couple wrecks over the years. Not an expert, but, you know, experienced.
If this is your first unreported wreck, then you should know there's a very specific protocol you have to follow. For all you know, this could be a war grave. Disturbing it would be illegal and immoral.
これ何も言わないだな。
You know what? I can't stop you. Just respect the rules down there. Don't do anything stupid that'll get my ass in trouble.
ほう。こんなんもちゃんとあるんや。あ、ごめん。
You know how to use that?
No. Not really.
You might want to just let it do its thing.
Hey, guys. Tanks are ready.
Tanks a lot.
Zing.
ごめんな。切っちゃった。 はあ。いっぱいあるね。
Okay, so this is the rebreather. Way cooler than a regular scuba setup. It takes all that CO2 that you'd normally just exhale into the water, and instead, it gets totally reused. Then it reduces decompression time on your way up. State of the art. Okay, O2 check done. Whoa, Eager Beaver, you gotta check your O2 first.
Thanks for setting me straight.
Oh, hey, guys.
What? Jesus, why are you so loud?
I almost completely forgot. When I was looking at the dive cam, I saw this huge hole in the tail. Kablooey. That's your way into the plane.
Oh, nice work, man.
Thanks, Conrad.
Okay, you little clownfishes. I'm gonna go see what Fliss is up to.
You behave, Connie.
Looking for a first mate, Captain.
You're on camera. I'll take the wheels.
Let's get a before photo.
Soon it was you and me.
選択肢間違ったかもしかして。でもナイフ持ってたからな。いや、これはもう話そう。取らなくていい。
Fliss better not be pissy this whole trip.
Yeah, she should remember who's signing the checks. Very large checks. Ought to buy us at least a little wiggle room with the rules.
金払ってるからっていうのはダメでしょ。何ちょっと選択肢難しいな。あれ持ってった方が良かったかな。
Whoa, you good?
More or less.
あ、やべえ、これ持ってた方が良かったパターンじゃん。
Too bad Fliss is so tight.
She acts like we're going to ransack the plane.
Hey, a souvenir would be cool.
It's not like one tiny little thing would hurt anybody. I won't tell if you won't.
Not like they can scan the wreck every night at sundown. There. That shape. That's gotta be it.
Whoa. That is, like, way bigger than I thought.
Damn. It's pretty intact, too. This is a fucking remarkable find.
Let's swim around a little and find a way in.
Howdy, Captain. You fancy a pint with your second in command?
You are not my second in command.
Third in command.
No.
Fresh and eager cabin boy.
Still a no.
Your well-paying, dashingly handsome, seafaring client is requesting the pleasure of your company over a frosty amber liquid.
もらっとこうか。あ、いや、こっちの方がいいかな。
Pass. I have to stay focused on your friends down there.
悪いな。
Pretty nice ride you got here. Where'd you get the cash?
It's a long story. It's complicated and it's really difficult to explain.
Well, I'm a complicated guy. Try me.
Well, it involves at least several trips to the bank and signing of big stacks of paper with large numbers on them.
So you took out a loan.
You know, you're smarter than you look.
If you're interested, maybe my family can make an investment in your business.
I built this business from scratch. I took out a loan on my boat, and that's all the help I need. Thanks. You know what? I better spend some time keeping the Duke of Milan shipshape.
Aye, aye.
Weather looks clear. How's it going?
Knocked out by Cold Frosty. Man, I feel like such a wimp.
Hey, it's your vacation. You're allowed to overdo it.
I am officially starting a temperance club. Party of one. Lifetime membership. Hope the lovebirds are having the time of their lives down there.
What do you know about this wreck?
Just rumors and theories. I got tired of the speculation and wanted to see if there was actually anything there.
So, how did you figure it out?
Everyone was just looking at where the plane was headed. But I asked myself, where was the plane from? You know, where was that airbase? So I made some guesses based on that hypothetical return flight, and I guess I guessed good.
You can actually use all those old World War II stories to help them find the sites?
Yeah. You know, when they started wreck diving, I realized I could be a pretty good resource. I knew a lot about where planes would go, shipping routes. You make a lot of connections. Alex and Julia have done a lot of dives, but I gotta say, finding this plane takes the cake.
Huh. Gotta get back up top. Check you later.
あ、ここ見てなかったな。あ、いたいた。へえ、結構かかんだね。すごい眠たなってきたわ。
Hey there. How's it hanging?
やばい。こっちかな。
You can monitor the dive while I do some boat maintenance.
Not a prob, Bob.
I'm serious. You can't fuck around with this stuff, Conrad. Do it for real or don't do it.
Yeah, totally. I got you. Serious.
Yeah, sure. Enjoy your vacation.
Watch me. Howdy, Captain. How's the sea?
Big and blue.
And how's the sky?
Brighter than you.
Boom! Game, set, match.
Uh-huh.
もうやる気あらへん。
Duke to Alex. Duke to Julia?
急にドーンってなる感じ。なんか置いてあんねあれ。こいつで見てもなんか変わるとかなのかな。
Wow. That is not your everyday wreck. I hope those clowns don't get me in trouble.
もうないか。
Weather looks clear.
あと見るもんあんのかな。オッケーオッケー。
What's that about?
Fishing boat, from the looks of it.
How should we handle this?
We are not doing anything. I'm the captain, so you be quiet and let me handle it. You got that?
いやいやいやいや。
Guys, you gotta keep back. We've got divers in the water.
Hey, we got damage here. You see this? Look at our boat.
We can take care of this, man. It's not a problem. What do you think? Like, $10 cover it? Oh, whoops, my bad. Let's make it 20. Well, shoot, you think it's more like 30? I can do 30. All right, you guys drive a hard bargain, but I'm with you. Here, let's just throw in the whole pot.
完全に殺しにかかっていきそうな感じやね。
Conrad said one of the pictures showed an opening.
The turret. We can get in through there.
危ない危ない危ない。ここで来るとはな。
Oh, careful. Could be dangerous.
Ladies first? Can I just take a second to say, holy shit, Alex, we did it. I mean, can you believe it? It's a dream come true.
Let's not waste a good
海
time
外。
without exploring. Go, go.
おっとっとっと。なんか毒されたかお前。
Julia, leave it. You'd have to take your gear off to get in there. Not worth it. That pipe's pretty tight. What if you get stuck without your rebreather?
Maybe it is kind of dangerous.
サメが来た時は上行った方がいいやろうけどな。おお。
Bullet holes. All down the fuselage. Brad's gonna flip when he sees this. Check it out. They reconfigured the bomb rack to hold lifeboats.
Interesting.
One of the rescue boats is missing. Think they were using it?
Let's see what else we can find.
You hear that?
Let's check it out. Want to go first?
連打で。
Cheap
あらら
piece
ら
of
ら
shit.
らら。あっちの方が良かったかな。10。
I think I wet my wetsuit.
Life gives you lemons.
Ew.
そこまでビビってはなかったけど、俺眠たさの方が勝ってんだわ。
Pilot and co-pilot. Gotta be. Plane crash not high on my list of ways to perish. Easy now. This stuff's been down here a long time.
Yeah.
Whoa! Julia! Oh my god! Just don't touch anything else, please.
Good God. Ugh. He's holding something.
写真のやつか。
Wow. What the hell happened here?
From the look of things, they knew they were goners.
Ah, 戻っていいのこれ。まだや。この感じ戻ってええな。これさっきのやろ。サメとか来そうなんだよな。
Fuck it. I'm just gonna go for it.
行ってみようか。マジか。ああ、よかった。もしかしてここでなんか刺されてなんか毒されるとかじゃねえだろうな。ああ、ナイス。
You do something stupid down here, that's it. One chance, you get that?
Chill out. I'm fine, see? No problemo.
異常なしよ。
This says it was a rescue plane. Launched from a US base. They were on their way to help out a ship.
We gotta get out of here, now!
Oh God, Alex!
It's a gray reef shark. Not interested in us. Let's go.
いやもうサメは怖えよな。
Hold on.
Oh, okay. What are you doing? Why are you fidgeting?
I don't know, I wanted to bring something up with you, but it's not the best time.
Oh, you had something to raise with me, did you?
It doesn't matter. Let's get back up to the top.
Hey, seriously, what's going on?
Nothing.
Yeah, but you're freaking me out.
Just forget it. I shouldn't have said anything. Come on. We've really got to get up top.
Fliss, this is Julia. We're coming back up. Over. Hey, where'd that other boat come from?
Wait, Julia. We got to decompress here.
Whoa!
Damn!
What the fuck? We gotta get up there.
Wait, we have to decompress.
まあ減圧しないとやべえからな。
Damn it. Yeah, okay. Decompress, right.
いやでも行かねえとこれはやべえと。
Oh my god, this is taking too long. This is torture.
Just a few more seconds. Okay, now, go, go!
焦ったらやばい。
Hey, what the hell is going on?
What the hell happened?
It's cool, man. Everything's all right now.
Oh, nothing. Your brother just took it upon himself to blow up my grill.
Conrad, what is wrong with you? What was up with that other boat?
These fishing guys came by and ran into the dive line. Whatever. Who cares, right? What I want to know is, what'd you guys find?
Well, we found the plane, and it is huge, full of cool stuff. Unfortunately, we did not leave it as pristine as we could have.
What? Why?
The dive line, actually.
How bad?
There's no cockpit anymore, for starters.
God, well, that's just fucking perfect.
You're getting to know these intrepid adventurers then. Alex and his little brother Brad, trying to swim with the big fish. Both seem out of their depth. And Julia, the love of Alex's life, and he the love of hers. What about Conrad? A bold fellow, you might say. Or maybe you'd say arrogant. And then there's Captain Fliss, strong, forthright, stubborn. She appears somewhat immune to Conrad's charms, so far at least. Let me reassure you, you help them to make some decisions they'll value later on. You're doing well.
よし。多分ここでチャプター変わるんでね、この辺で終わりたいと思います。まあちょっと、どうだろうな、選択肢ミスったかなって思うところ多々あるんやけど、まあでも、まだ誰も死んでないからね、まあ良かったです。最初のチュートリアルであれどうなったんかちょっとわかんないですけどね。まあ、とにかく次回お楽しみに。よかったらね、チャンネル登録、コメント、高評価の方よろしくお願いします。では次回の動画でお会いしましょう。ありがとうございました。